Today in this video you will see solutions of some very important questions of this exercise 3.6, and that is linear equation in two variables. This is very important exercise because most of the questions of this exercise is based upon reducible to linear equations. Actually whatever given equations are here in this exercise, they are not actually linear equations. So in the given form they are not linear equations, but with the help of some calculations, with the help of some tricks, we can reduce these equations in the form of the linear equation in two variables. So this exercise is very important, and so many questions are in the reference book based upon these tricks are given. So now we will start the question number 1 of this exercise. Question number 1 of this exercise is 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2, and 1 upon 3x, the second equation is 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 upon 6, and we have to find out the value of x and y. So before starting the solution, this is my kind request that if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and then comment the questions, and also turn on the bell icon so that you can know the upcoming updates of this channel. Now see the question number 1 and its solution. So here is in the question number 1 upon x, 1 upon y, here also 1 upon x and 1 upon y. Then we can take the trick is here, let 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. Then the first equation, in place of 1 upon x will be u and 1 upon y will be v. So 1 upon x, 1 upon 2x is equal to 1 upon 2u. 1 upon 2u and 1 upon 3y is equal to 1 upon 3v. In the same way, in the second equation, this 1 upon 3x is equal to 1 upon 3 and u, and in the second one is 1 upon 2y, 1 upon 2y is equal to 1 upon 2v. Now the question will be reduced in the form of, in place of 1 upon 2, that will be equal to 1 upon 2u, 1 upon 2u plus 1 upon 3v plus 1 upon 3v is equal to 2. So 1 upon 2u plus 1 upon 3v is equal to 2. To remove these denominators, we have to multiply this equation by what? LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 6 यहाँ लिखेंगे तो वो 2 3 जा हो जाएगा 3u, and plus 6 will be here, then 2v is equal to 12, and let this is equation number 3. So the third equation is 3u plus 2v is equal to 12. The same thing we have to do in the second one, that will be 1 upon 3x equal to 1 upon 3u, 1 upon 3u, और प्लस 1 upon 2y के प्लेस पे 1 upon 2v, 1 upon 2v is equal to 13 upon 6. So once more you multiply this equation by 6. Why 6? Because LCM of this 3, 2 and 6 is 6. तो जब 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे then that will be 2u and plus 3v is equal to, here will be 13, and this is equation number 4. Now we have two equations in the form of u and v. We have to solve these two equations and to find out the value of u and v, and with the help of that u and v we will go to the values of x and y. Now see, we have to remove any वेरिएबल either v or u. सपोज इस क्वेश्चन में हम रिमूव करने जा रहे हैं u. सो अगर u रिमूव करना है देन दैट विल बी 6 एंड दिस विल बी 6. ये 6 तब होगा जब हम इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे पूरे इक्वेशन को, और ये 6 तब होगा जब इस पूरे इक्वेशन को हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन दिस u एंड u विल बी कैंसिल्ड। कोई ज़रूरी नहीं कि हम u को ही कैंसिल करें, v को भी कैंसिल कर सकते हैं। तो अगर v को भी कैंसिल करना है तो दिस इक्वेशन विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 3 and this equation will be multiplied by 2, then 6 and 6, this v will be cancelled. So here I am going to cancel u. It means equation number 3 multiplied by 2. So this will be 2u, 6u plus 4v is equal to 24. This is equation number 3 and multiplied by 2. 6u plus 4v is equal to 24, and this equation will be multiplied by 3, then that will be 6u and plus 9v is equal to 39. This is equation number 4 and multiplied by 3. Now we have to cancel u, so minus, minus and minus, because for the cancellation sign should be different. और जब आप साइन चेंज करेंगे देन यहाँ यह आपको लिखना है सब्ट्रैक्टिंग दिस u एंड u इज कैंसिल्ड, माइनस 9v प्लस 4v माइनस 5v इज इक्वल टू माइनस, इसको माइनस करेंगे देन यू विल गेट माइनस 15. सो v इज इक्वल टू 15 अपॉन v इज इक्वल टू 15 बाई 5, that will be equal to 3. So v is equal to 3 और v हमने सपोज किया है 1 upon y को, so 1 upon y is equal to value of v 3, then y is equal to रेसिप्रोकल कर लेंगे, then ये रेसिप्रोकल होगा तो ये भी रेसिप्रोकल होगा, that is y is equal to 1 upon 3 and this is the first value of the variable, that is y is equal to 1 upon 3. Now you put v equal to 3 in either third one or the fourth one. So from third v के प्लेस पे हम 3 पुट करेंगे यहाँ पे, तो that will be 3u and plus 2 3 जा 6v is equal to 12. So 2u plus 6v is equal to 12, then 3u, so y v equal to 3, v इसमें नहीं रहेगा ये, so then 3u plus 6, 3u and plus 6, v के प्लेस पे आपने 3 पुट कर लिया, then 3u plus 6 is equal to 12. So 3u is equal to 3u is equal to, this is nothing, 3u equal to 12 minus 6, that is 6, and u is equal to 6 upon 3, that is 2. So u is equal to 2, it means 1 upon x, 1 upon x is equal to 2, और रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे तो x is equal to 1 upon 2. So the value of x in this equation, x equal to 1 upon 2 and y is equal to 1 upon 3. In the last you can write the final answer, x is equal to 1 upon 2. So this was the answer of this question number 1, that is x equal to 1 upon 2 and y is equal to 1 upon 3. Now we should proceed to the next question, and that is question number 2. So the question number 2 is 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y is equal to 2 and 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y is equal to minus 1. Actually this is nothing different from the question number 1, the same question, only one thing we have to do here, this is under root x in place of x, but the procedure, the steps will be same. So we will write, let 1 upon root x is equal to u and 1 upon root y is equal to v. Then this will be reduced in the form of 2u and plus 3v is equal to 2. Let this is equation number 3, and from the second equation, that will be 4u minus 9v is equal to minus 1. This is equation number, this is 4. We have to solve this equation number 3 and 4 to find out the value of u and v, and with the help of this u and v, we can find out the value of x and y. So now this was not the linear equation, but with the help of some trick, some calculation, that is reduced in the form of the linear equation. Therefore this exercise is based upon reducible to linear equations, not actually linear equations. So here that is very simple to cancel v, प्लस और माइनस ये पहले ही सही है, प्लस और माइनस साइन आपको चेंज नहीं करना है. ओनली वी हैव टू मेक द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ v इक्वल टू 9. So multiplying by this, multiplying equation number 3 by 3. So this is 6u plus 9v multiplying by 3, and that is equal to 3 to 6. ये है equation number 3 multiplying by 3. Now that is very simple to cancel v. Right here adding, और adding हम कब लिखते हैं, जब हमको साइन नहीं चेंज करना है. Then v and this v is cancelled. 4u plus 6u, this is 10u is equal to 6 minus 1, that is 5. Then u is equal to 5 upon 10, that is 1 upon 2. Then u is equal to 1 upon 2, और u सपोज किया गया है 1 upon root x को. Then we have 1 upon root x is equal to 1 upon 2. So after comparing, root x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4. So x equal to 4. Now this value of u we have to put in the third or fourth equation. So suppose from this third one, from third, u is equal to 1 upon 2. इसके प्लेस पे, u के प्लेस पे 1 upon 2, that is 2 into 1 upon 2, 2 into 1 upon 2, and plus 3v is equal to 2. This 2 is to cancel. Then 3v is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1, and v is equal to 1 upon 3. और v सपोज क्या है 1 upon root y को. Then 1 upon root y is equal to 1 upon root y equal to 1 upon 3. कंपेयर करेंगे तो आएगा root y is equal to 3 and y is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9. So the final answer of this is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. These are the answer of this question number 2 of this exercise. Now see some more questions of the same exercise. Let us see question number. So this is fourth part of the question number 1. So first part and the second part you have seen. The third part is not so difficult. See the part 4th of the question number 1 of the same exercise. So here this is 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2, and 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1, the second one. So here, so for the solution you write, let 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to u and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to v. So the first equation will be reduced in the form of 5u and plus v is equal to 2. Let this is equation number 3. 5u plus v is equal to 2, and the second equation will be 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. This is equation number 4. We have to solve this third and fourth equation and to find out the value of u and v, and with the help of that value u and v, we can find out the value of x and y. That is very simple to solve this third and fourth. v और v वैसे ही कैंसिल हो रहा है, so v and v कैंसिल हो सकता है, but multiplying equation number 3 by 3, तो ये 3v और 3 will be cancelled. So that will be 15u plus 3v is equal to 3 to the 6. That is equation number 3 and multiplied by 3. Now see adding. Adding y, because without changing the sign, this v is going to cancel. This is cancelled. 15 plus 6, that is 21u, and is equal to 7, then u is equal to 1 upon 3. So u is equal to 1 upon 3. Now putting the value, u आपने किसको सपोज किया था? u are supposed to be 1 upon x minus 1. So 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 3. अब जब आप कंपेयर करेंगे then x minus 1 is equal to 3. So we can write x here, x minus 1 is equal to 3 and then x is equal to 4. Now put this value of u in the first or anywhere, any equation. See from third, from equation number 3, 5u plus v पे u is equal to 1 upon 3. So that will be 5 into 1 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 5 upon 3 plus v is equal to 2. Now simplify, v is equal to 2 minus 5 upon 3, then v equal to 3 to the 6 minus 5, that is 1 upon 3. So v is equal to 1 upon 3, or v was supposed to be 1 upon y minus 2. So 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3. Then from here you can write y minus 2 is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. So the final answer of this question, so x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. This is the answer of this question number 1 and part 4. Now see question number 1 and part 5th. Actually 5th and 6th part is same as the first part. With the help of the simple calculation, that will be changed in the question number 1 in the form of the question number 1. See part 5th and the question number 1 is 7x minus 2i upon xy is equal to 5. अब इसको तो from 1. See from 1 is, from 1 that will be 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5. Break into two parts. 7x upon xy minus 2i upon xy. This x and x cancel. That will be 7 upon y minus here y and y cancel. This is 2 upon x is equal to 5. Let this is equation number 3. In the same way, the second equation break into two parts. 8x upon xy. Here write here from 2. So 8x upon xy and plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. इसको भी हम चेंज करेंगे, कैंसिल करेंगे. दैट विल बी 8 अपॉन x एंड कैंसिल, 8 अपॉन y प्लस 7 अपॉन y और y कैंसिल, 7 अपॉन x इज इक्वल टू 15. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 4. नाउ वी हैव टू सॉल्व इक्वेशन नंबर 3 and 4 with the help of the question number 1. सेम मेथड, 1 अपॉन y को आप x u ले लेंगे और 1 अपॉन x को v, और जैसे आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 सॉल्व किया है बिल्कुल सेम वैसे ही इस 5th पार्ट को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. when this is changed in form of 1 upon x and 1 upon y. So this was part 6. Now this is same as first part, same as part first. This is same as part first. Now come on the sixth part. Sixth part is 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. इसमें क्या करते हैं, x y को आप लेफ्ट में ले आइए. सो दैट विल बी 6x प्लस 3y अपॉन xy इज इक्वल टू 6. अब इसको दो पार्ट में ब्रेक करेंगे. देन 6x अपॉन xy और प्लस 3y upon xy is equal to 6. Now x and x cancel, that is 6 upon y, or plus here y and y cancelled. 3 upon x is equal to 6. Let this is third one, and from here you can add, ये अगर ये फर्स्ट है तो ये फर्स्ट, तो और ये सेकेंड इक्वेशन, गिवन इक्वेशन. एंड हियर आल्सो द सेम थिंग, 2x प्लस 4y upon xy is equal to 5. Then break into two parts. So 2x upon xy or plus 4y upon xy is equal to 5. Then x and x cancel, 2 upon y or plus, here y and y cancel, 4 upon x is equal to 5. This is the equation number 4. So this equation number 3 and equation number 4, once more it is changed in the form of question number 1. So we can do question number 1 method से इस part 5th को भी कर सकते हैं. Now see the next question. Question number 1 and the last part, this is 8th part. Method is same, 1 upon 3x plus y, 1 upon 3x minus y equal to 3 upon 4, and this is 1 upon 2 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. So what to do here? Let 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to, you suppose u, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to v. So the first equation जो आपका है वो that will be changed in u plus v is equal to 3 upon 4. u plus v is equal to 3 upon 4, but हमें फ्रैक्शन को ख़त्म भी करना है. देन मल्टीप्लाई द होल इक्वेशन बाई 4, देन 4u एंड प्लस 4v is equal to 3. Let this is third equation. 4u plus 4v is equal to 3. With the help of the second one, you see this can be written as 1 upon 2u minus 1 upon 2u minus 1 upon 2v is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Multiply this equation by 8. 2 और 2 और 8 है, तो 8 और 2 और 2 को कैंसिल करना है. देन मल्टीप्लाई बाई 8. दैट विल बी 4u माइनस 4v इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 4. इक्वेशन नंबर 3 और 4 को सॉल्व करके u और v की वैल्यू फाइंड करना बहुत ही सिंपल है. कोएफिशिएंट भी आपको इक्वल नहीं करना है, वो पहले ही से इक्वल है. सो राइट हियर एडिंग this 4v and 4v is cancelled, that is 4u plus 4u, 8u is equal to 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. Then u is equal to 1 upon 4. So see here, u is equal to 1 upon 4 and u was supposed to be 1 upon 3x plus y, then 1 upon 3x or plus y is equal to 1 upon 4. After comparing, you can write 3x or 3x plus y is equal to 4. Equation number 3 और 4 है. Suppose this is equation number 5. 3x plus y is equal to 4. Now you put this value of u either in the third one or the fourth one. See about the equation number from equation number 3. From third equation, so from 3 you put the values. So this is 4, ये u की वैल्यू है. Then 4 into value of u 1 upon 4 plus 4v is equal to 3. Then 4v is equal to 4v equal to ये 1 आएगा, 3 minus 1 that is 2, and v is equal to 2 upon 4 that is 1 upon 2. तो v equal to 1 upon 2 है. we are suppose this one, so you can write 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 1 upon 2. After comparing, you can write 3x minus y is equal to 2, and let this is equation number 6. So now what to do? With the help of the equation number 5 and 6, we have to find out the value of x and y. बहुत ही सिंपल है. 3x plus y इसी के नीचे ऐसे लिख लीजिए. This is 3x and plus y is equal to 4. This is equation number 5. y वो वैसे कैंसिल हो रहा है. So right here adding y cancelled. 6x is equal to 2 and 4 6. So x is equal to 1. अब ये x इक्वल टू 1 कहीं भी रख दीजिए, इक्वेशन नंबर 5 में या इक्वेशन नंबर 6 में। सो फ्रॉम 5, इक्वेशन नंबर 5, तो x इक्वल टू 1 है, आप यहाँ रखिए 5 में x इक्वल टू 1, दिस इज 3 इंटू 1 दैट इज 3 और प्लस y इज इक्वल टू 4, तो y इक्वल टू भी आया 1। देन योर फाइनल आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज x इज इक्वल टू 1 एंड y इक्वल टू ऑल्सो 1, and this is equation number 1 and part 8 और उसका solution. So this was the first video of this exercise 3.6 और जिसमें हमने सॉल्व किया क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के कुछ selected part. In the next video you will see the क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, ये लेवर्ड प्रॉब्लम है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के सोल्यूशन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, इसके तीनों पार्ट बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, so that we will do in the next video. So all the best, thank you.